Hey YouTube, this is JB Schmel, and I know I said that I'm not buying any more fireworks. And I did for one reason only. I bought more for you guys, to do some demos. All this stuff here I did not buy. This is what I had left over. So I'm going to do a demo on a 25-shot Saturn missile by Wyndham. Counter-strike. I think it just goes, and makes noise. Double parachute. Mini artillery shell. 1-inch Magnum artillery shell. And this blue star spouting. And whatever this is. I don't know what this is. I found them. It's probably just one of those regular artillery shells. And we'll actually go to here. So I got, these are what I got new. Got buy one get one free. By Black Hat. 10 bar Roman candles. So I'm going to demo one of those for you guys. And then wrecking balls, which is a 12-shot mortar. Sorry. It's just a cardboard tube, a pretty strong cardboard tube. So I hope to shoot at least half a dozen of these, to give you an idea what they are. Can't find any videos on them, so I'm kind of excited what they're going to look like, and what I have left over I'll probably will put in the show. And I have 3 200-gram cakes here. I'm going to demo. By Black Hat, Rebel Rouser. It's a 20-shot cake. And I'll tell you all the effects and everything right before I shoot it off. And so I got recommended this Boiling Point 16-shot by Boomer. I like the packaging on that. That's pretty neat. Last but not least, Asian Pyro. By Asian Pyro. Bravo 13 shots. Yeah. So I'm gonna be demoing these. All of these. Probably demo 2 of them a day. So I will start probably July 1st. And then I'll work my way up to 4th of July. Depending how many, I want to get all these out of the way. So maybe even 3 demos a day, depending on how much time I have and how the weather is. So, please subscribe, like. You can ask me any questions you may have. So, yeah. Alright, thanks, bye.